guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and my blog is called Balancia that you can follow on my Instagram handle. My today's video is another review from Bath and Body Works. As I told you before in my other video, I'm obsessed with their products and they are like my favorite go-to products, especially for everything hand and body care. And the review that I'm going to be giving out today is on their new hand cleansing sprays. Now the thing is, I've been obsessed with the hand gels, the small sanitizers. I'm sure if you are a Bath and Body Works fan and follower, you will know what the hand gels are. They are super cute. They are these small ones and they come in various flavors and various fragrances, and they're really nice. It sparkles inside. They're like, I'm obsessed with them. But the thing was, for some reason they weren't available on the website or even on Nykaa. I'm assuming they're out of stock because of course hand sanitizers are the thing to go to right now. But they have also introduced hand cleansing sprays, which I've just ordered, and they are amazing. So I'm going to be reviewing those and telling you all what they are and showing you everything that I got from that range. So if you're someone who's interested in knowing what these hand sprays are, please do continue watching this video. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the 4 hand cleansing hand gels that are not gels, but they are basically called cleansing hand sprays. These are the 4 that I got. Again, as you all know, Bath and Body Works always has an offer going on, and each of them is actually for I think $5.99. Yeah, each of them is $5.99, but they had an offer of buy 2 get 2 free. So I literally got 4 in at the price of $1,200, which was amazing. What a freaking deal! Like, there was no way I could leave that. But I got 4 different fragrances in it, of course, because why not smell all the variety, and it's always good to keep changing and you feel like even using it more. So this one is the cucumber melon. There is a French lavender. There is a eucalyptus mint, which I'm not a very big fan of because I don't know, mint is just not my thing, but I still bought it. And then there's sunshine and lemons. So I'm going to be showing you all how each of these smell and how you can even use them. So this one is the cucumber melon. This is also a really nice, refreshing one if you're not someone into fruity fragrances and like just want a simple, refreshing smell. This one is really nice. Now it's simple. You just open your cap and you kind of, spray it and then just, rub it all on your hands. And it smells amazing. This one is really refreshing, like really refreshing. The second one that I am going to is the sunshine and lemon. Now this is really my favorite. I love the smell of this. It's super amazing. It smells of lemons. If you are a lemon fan, then this one is for you, because this is really gonna kind of get it. And sometimes you get lazy to use hand sanitizers and you're like, oh god, we just used it. This is the fragrance to own, because you are not going to get tired of this one for sure, 100%, if you are a lemon person. Then we have the eucalyptus mint, which I told you I'm not a very big fan of, but if you are someone who likes minty flavors, then this is really good. This is going to do the same work as all the others, but of course it's the mint that kind of is quite strong in this one. And lavender, which is a cult favorite, of course, is never going to go out because this is something that we love. Lavender air sprays, lavender body sprays, lavender everything is always good. Soaps is always good. So this one is also really nice. If you are someone who likes florals, who likes fruity smell, then this is something for you, because this you're going to like. So these are the 4 sprays that I got from Bath and Body Works, and they are absolutely amazing. I love them, and they really make me want to sanitize my hands constantly because their fragrance is so good. Plus the deal that I got was really good. So head over to Bath and Body Works, see if the deal is still there, and definitely grab your hands on this, because of course hand sanitizers, hand gels, hand cleansers are the need of the hour, and why not use fancy ones that are going to make you smell really nice and also give you a really good experience and also keep you sanitized. One thing to note about these hand sprays is that the alcohol content in them is much more than the hand gels. So of course I would, in today's times when we really need that safety, I would definitely go for the sprays. Also quantity wise, this is much more than the gel, and that's that's why, you know, of course, it is more cost effective that to buy the set of 4 when you just get it in the price of 2. And of course, like I said, the fragrances are amazing. So this was it for me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. And I'll be back with another very, very soon. Till then, bye bye.